Defense Updates has reached more than 150,000 subscribers. We're genuinely thankful to our viewers. You keep us going. Follow us on social media. Support us on Patreon. All links in description below. The US's latest amphibious ship is getting a laser weapon just in time to show off at the 2018 Rim of the Pacific RIMPAC War Games. The USS Portland, which will function as the flagship for the multinational military exercises, is set to receive the latest version of the Navy's laser weapon system. U.S. Naval Institute News reports the Navy is installing the next generation version of its laser weapon system, LAWS, on the ship. This development paves the way for laser weapons to be integrated across the Navy fleet. In this video, Defense Updates examines why installation of the latest laser weapon system in USS Portland is a significant development.
Number 5.
USS Portland is a San Antonio-class landing platform dockship. It's set to enter service with the U.S. Navy in April. The Portland displaces 25,000 tons and has a top speed of 22 knots. According to the 16th edition of the Naval Institute Guide to Combat Fleets of the World, it can carry 2 LCAC landing craft air cushion, roughly 700 Marines, and up to 4 helicopters. It's armed with the Mark 31 launcher for the RIM 116 rolling airframe missile and 2 30mm Bushmaster 2 chain guns.
Number 4.
The weapon is a next-generation upgrade from the U.S. military's laser weapon system, which has been tested in the Middle East aboard the USS Ponce, program manager Captain Brian Metcalf said. Like its predecessor LAWS, the new weapon will be a bolt-on addition to the ship's arsenal and as such will not be fully integrated into the Portland's other systems and in current configuration will essentially act as a test bed. The existing laser weapon is a $40 million system that's demonstrated the ability to take down an incoming drone undeterred by wind and without making any noise. As soon as the laser makes contact with a drone, the vehicle heats to a temperature of more than 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit and explodes. The weapon is also extremely precise, which could minimize deaths in wartime, according to the Navy. This is a 30 kilowatt system. It's predicted to be combat ready by 2020. The U.S. Navy is planning larger laser guns of between 100 and 150 kilowatts. A lot of the ships in the Navy's fleet are capable of having them aboard. For example, Ford-class supercarriers have newly designed reactors. 2 Bechtel A1B nuclear reactors producing 300 megawatts of electricity, triple the 100 megawatts of each Nimitz class. The extra power is meant for powering laser weapons for the future.
Number 3.
The speed, 50,000 times the speed of an incoming intercontinental ballistic missile, enables it to strike a target almost instantaneously. Silent and generally invisible, as it usually operates at an optical wavelength indiscernible to the human eye, the laser weapon system runs off its own electrical generator and needs no ammunition. Highly accurate, it's very effective when used against small, speedy targets, including incoming rockets, small drones, and artillery shells. Low maintenance, high safety, and long lifespan are its characteristics. The cost is only about $1 a shot.
Number 2.
The maximum range is limited as laser energy tends to diffuse in the atmosphere, especially when obstructed by sand, smoke, or fog. Atmospheric absorption, scattering, and turbulence prevent shipboard lasers from being all-weather weapons. A laser beam has difficulty burning through denser materials. It needs time to inflict the damage and disable a heavy projectile. With no kinetic impact, a laser may fail to stop the target. In theory, laser weapons may be used for offensive missions, but the primary function is defensive. Countermeasures to laser guidance also include laser detection systems, smokescreen, and anti-laser active protection systems. Targets can be coated with materials that can absorb laser energy.
Number 1.
Rim of the Pacific, RIMPAC, is the largest multinational exercise in the world. Hosted by the U.S. Navy, it's held on even-numbered years off the coast of Hawaii. It's designed to practice interoperability among navies, allow naval forces from different countries to familiarize themselves with one another, and ends with a big SINKEX, a sinking exercise where everyone sinks decommissioned ships. 26 countries participated in 2016: Australia, Brunei, Canada, Chile, Colombia, Denmark, France, Germany, India, Indonesia, Italy, Japan, Malaysia, Mexico, Netherlands, New Zealand, Norway, the People's Republic of China, Peru, the Republic of Korea, the Republic of the Philippines, Singapore, Thailand, Tonga, the UK, and the US. Brazil had to back out at the last minute. Almost all the participants are either friendly to the United States or key allies, with the sole exception being China. The presence of a laser on the Portland will be a reminder to those allies present just who has the most technologically advanced naval force in the world. It will also make an impression on the Chinese military, which has been working on directed energy weapons.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this. Hit the like button if you find the video interesting, and kindly provide your feedback in the comment section. This will help us improve.